Papercraft Essentials issue 169 is here, and wait until you see it. Hunky Dory fans, there are some foiled die cuts in here, but the magazine is going to show you ways to use them. Okay, let me set this aside and get to the goodies. There are 50 foiled die cuts, and they are beautiful, absolutely stunning. Well, the foiling we love, you know, but also the artwork is very special. Just lovely. Okay, so that's one sheet. And of course, just in case you're not familiar with Hunky Dory, these will have multiple layers. So you get this inside, you get a frame, you get another frame. So all of those, and you're going to get greetings as well as borders, as well as focals. So just beautiful. Isn't that just lovely? And there's more. Yes. More and more, just beautiful. Okay, now you also are going to get 8 double-sided papers. Now these are papers, so you can see the artwork is going to match what you have on the die cuts, and just really pretty. Ooh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes. There we go with some daffodils, and on the back it's a tone-on-tone. We've got roses, and on the back some stripes. Very pretty. And, oh, very pretty poppies on the back. And more. Then you get 4 single-sided papers. So, oh, whoops, sorry, that's the last of the double-sided. Now the single-sided papers, a lot of times they're referred to as insets for the inside of a card. But you can do whatever you want, of course. These are all over patterns, and just do a really nice job. So 8 double-sided, 4 single-sided, whoops. All of them beautifully supporting the 50 foil die cuts that I just think are very special. Now, by the way, when it's something like this in the magazine, you can't find it other places. It is only here, it's exclusive to here. And let me show you some ways to use all of these beauties. Well, first of all, you see this on the front of the magazine. That's using the foil die cuts as well as the papers. Look at these stunning images. Aren't they just very special? I thought that was interesting to use it to dress up a gift box. I thought that was a fun idea. And then you also have a thing of die-cut gatefold cards, so another way perhaps to use your cutting dies. And we're going to go back to, okay, there's some more ideas and some step-by-steps. That's always appreciated. And then in the back, more ways to use these beautiful foil die cuts to create just some stunning, stunning projects. So all of this is available right now, and I am delighted to tell you that not only are the die cuts and the papers exclusive to this magazine, but this magazine is exclusive at paperwishes.com.